Not every geek with a Commodore 64 can hack into NASA.
This one's dedicated to all the hackers. Yo, even out, settle scores quick. My disaster recovery requires even more discs. Put your bytes up, prove it or you forfeit. Got my C64 and we blew it into orbit. M Bison with 8 straight perfects. Overload emotions make hate break circuits. In case you heard, it's a name fake service. Optimize our runtime to escape verdicts. Got an integer scope flow that they can't sign. Passing code, didn't sanitize command lines, landmine. So before they'll see me after, I'm advice star, courage, woke plus velociraptor. Don't prove we're human unless we really have to. My team built schemes that destroy, recapture. Hate what they see, finish this chapter. By the way, we're not any geeks, we hack into NASA. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Got this vodka and this Red Bull, they still give me wings. So we drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. Drink all the booze, hack all the things. 0 through 3, we're in every single ring. I'm just waiting till my ring dies.
What happened, Kenny? Alright guys, so we're about to head out. Kenny, of course, needs gas, like always.
Here we go.
Yeah, goddamn. That was the easiest we've ever had.
I know. But it's crackly. Oh, that's probably because of me. I'm connected. There we go.
Yep, fix that.
Yeah. The diesel's still not connected.
He's here.
Oh, you're there.
That's what I said. That was the easiest. That shit
Holy
just connected. No issues.
Look at this fool.
Fucking Squid Billy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I didn't tell you. On the way here on the freeway, I saw a dude in sandals, shorts, and no shirt. On the way here on the freeway. I was like, damn. Huh?
Huh?
He's talking to you.
The what? Oh.
He's trying to talk to you.
I can't hear shit.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, they're talking to each other.
Oh.
No, he only has a nice bike.
The girls?
Hold on, Charlie. Hold on.
Fucking kidding.
Hey, they got your sticker. Those girls had the girls had your sticker, go.
What?
Those girls had your sticker in the back of their car.
Did they really?
Yeah.
Had
No
my sticker?
Yeah.
What?
It looked like it. I guess in California could have had the bear. I don't know. It just looked like a sticker.
Oh, I didn't tell you. Last night, my kids were playing Xbox Live because they always play on Minecraft and shit, and they were playing online. And somebody came over the voice thing because they're playing on a public server, and they were like, "Oh man, I love your videos, blah 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 blah." And my kids were telling me about it. I was like, "Ha, that's funny." It gets a little. You got to be careful out here because there's cliffs now. And some of these don't have fucking guardrails. Holy shit! What the fuck? Watch the dirt.
Yeah. Somebody went off the side.
Really?
Did someone? No, this is just dirt. I didn't see anyone go outside. This is just dirt.
No, somebody hit this side.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is beautiful. There's that straight right there.
Damn.
Long.
Oh, that's over there, right?
Yep, that's it. Oh, here's that spot where I'm going to draw.
Oh, you want to stop?
Holy shit!
Let's stop.
Alright, stopping.
Oh man, that's beautiful, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's the view, man. It's warm, but man, this is a fucking... There's almost no better way to spend a Saturday with riding with your homies, going out, catching views, and at the end of the day, there's tacos. Tacos.
No, it's a burrito with a taco.
Oh, burrito with the taco. Yeah, we could put all 3 bikes down the fucking road. Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
What are you doing?
We're racing.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we're racing. Let's do it right here.
No cars behind us?
Nope.
Alright, stop.
Alright.
Are you guys stopping or are you rolling or what?
Yeah, I think we're stopping.
We're stopping.
Where are we going to?
Like right where the solid line starts. Like right before that. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
That was pretty good.
I got 130.
Damn, where you way back there, DSG?
Yeah, my shit fucked up. It wasn't kicking the second gear.
Holy shit.
I gotta learn how to launch better. Cause through first gear I have like no power until I get like halfway up to like 8,000 RPMs.
Is that a cop?
I hope not.
Yes, it is.
Oh, damn. Well,
right.
I would stay back there.
Oh, he's fucking a bitch.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Did you go?
Nope.
I didn't go.
Yeah, you're good. Is he gonna turn?
Yeah.
Damn. He's gonna... Fuck! That sucks. Did you do it or is it just me?
No, I hate to say it, man. It was you.
Alright.
Just you. Let's see where he goes though.
Huh?
Let's see where he goes.
Yeah,
Is he coming?
he's coming. I'm gonna...
I would pull over ahead of me. Don't stop with me if he pulls me over.
Well, he's pulling us over.
No, he's right behind me.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Where are you gonna pull over at?
There is nowhere to pull over here.
There's nowhere.
I bet he's gonna come for me though.
He would have done it by now.
I'm putting my hands up so he knows that we know that, I'm sure he has to understand. There's nowhere to stop.
I pull over here on the right, I guess?
You got some room?
Yeah, there's a street.
Alright. Sounds like a good spot then.
Oh,
there's a car behind you.
There's a car behind you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know where. Here?
Yeah, he wants to...
Oh, up on the side road up here. Damn, he's gonna give me a ticket, fix-it ticket too, I bet. It's gonna be me, dude.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully he's cool.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's hot.
You guys were passing over the double line. I saw you. Did you guys pass the car behind them too? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you doing it? Okay. Do you have your license?
Yeah.
You guys all together, I take it?
Yeah. Just trying to get out of this heat, man. It's killing us.
Where are you headed?
Downtown.
Do you have your insurance and registration?
Yeah. Well, it's AAA, so there's that, and then my registration is in the back seat. If you want me to get it out.
I'll run the bike.
Okay. What's up?
Your bike?
Yes.
Alright, so just take your helmet off for me.
Sure.
So you guys, I didn't see you doing anything, so you're technically free to go. You can wait if you want. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, is your record good?
Yes. Yeah, sorry about that.
You still in Imperial Beach?
I just moved.
Where'd you move to?
El Cajon.
You know your address? How long did you move?
About a month ago. Hasn't been not very long at all.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Sure. Don't do what I did.
I'm going to give you a fix-it ticket and a warning on the passing. Okay? Thank you. So the fix-it ticket is just to update your address. I'm supposed to do it within 10 days.
Oh, okay.
I just put down here the reason for the stop is we're passing. But you just pass. Most guys either try to run or give me attitude. So
I'm not a good run, man.
yeah, so I appreciate that. So I'll give you a break today.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. So the fixing ticket,
Yeah.
just with DMV.
Yeah.
I think
You can sign it off. Yeah, AAA might be able to also. They can sign it off for you and then, yeah.
Okay.
I just see a signature in the red box there.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I know it gets kind of frustrating when you get stuck on these slow drivers out here.
He's from LA, so we're just kind of showing him around.
Yeah. Well, no, I appreciate it.
Super hot out here.
Yeah, because I chase the, you know, I got nothing against the bikes, but if you guys get out here and, you know, a lot of times when there's a group, they just all take off. So you guys all pulled over and were cool, so.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, be safe. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Well, so I got pulled over for crossing a double yellow, but the cop was super cool, and he just gave me a fix-it ticket for my driver's license because we recently moved and I haven't updated it, and he said it has to be updated within 10 days. So I don't get a ticket for crossing the double yellow, so a $20 fix-it ticket, I'll take that any day of the week.
Call that a win.
Yeah, I call that a win. And he basically said that he's like, look, I don't have anything against bikers, and they completely understand what it's like getting stuck behind slow cars. That's what he said. And he goes, so I get that. And he said, most times I have to chase you guys down, and you guys all pulled over, and so I'm going to give you guys a break. And I didn't have to worry about anything. So there you go. Don't run.
Hey, hold on. Give you a break. We were cool one time.
Yeah, give me a break. Give me a break.
Me and Kenny were cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, he couldn't see how black I was.
I saw it.
I kept my helmet on.
Yeah, I saw him, but I was already like in progress of like getting ready to go over, so I'm like, fuck. I was like, all right.
Yeah, I saw this fucker hiding over there, man.
Damn.
We were singing when he was talking to you.
Huh?
We were singing when he was talking to you. Oh, I'm going to the county jail tonight.
Going down to county.
For crossing the yellow line. Going up to county for crossing the yellow line. I'm going to that jail, gonna dig it in the behind. I'm going where they make toilet wine. I'm going where they make toilet wine. I'm gonna drink out the toilet and stay drunk all the time.